Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You already have your Outlook signed in. Now start building rules. First, open New Outlook for Windows and go to Settings Rules. Choose whether this rule applies to your entire account, a specific mailbox, or just the inbox. This matters because scope determines performance and sync. Once you pick scope, click Create Rule and select the trigger: sender, subject, or message contains. Make sure to name the rule clearly so you can find it later, and save the initial trigger before moving to actions. Now configure what Outlook should do when the trigger fires. Choose one or multiple actions, move to folder, forward to another address, set category, or mark as read. Once done, add exceptions to prevent false positives. For example, exclude internal senders or messages over a size threshold. Make sure to order rules logically. Rules run top to bottom, so place narrower, high-priority rules above broader ones. Test with sample messages and adjust conditions, because slight wording differences in subjects or addresses change rule behavior. Finish by saving the rule and immediately testing it with sample emails that match, and that should be excluded. Observe the result in the client and on the web. Make sure actions occur consistently. If something fails, review rule order and look for conflicts. Disable other rules temporarily to isolate the issue. Also check sync status and rule count limits in your account, because large numbers of client-only rules can prevent execution. Finally, refine conditions and retest until behavior matches expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.